Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your Apple ID is signed and this ties the gift card to you. Once done, locate the 16-digit code on the physical card or in the email. Take a photo if needed. Make sure your device is updated, because older iOS versions may hide the redeem option. If you plan to add funds beyond the card, ensure a valid payment method is on file. Otherwise, you can still use the card for eligible purchases without extra steps. You now redeem the card. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your profile, then redeem gift card or code. Use the camera to scan for speed. On Mac, choose App Store, sign in, and pick Redeem from the menu. If the camera can't read the code, type the 16-digit code exactly, including hyphens if present. After submission, watch for confirmation that your Apple ID balance updated. This balance pays for App Store, iCloud storage, and media purchases automatically. Finish by choosing Purchases. The system consumes your Apple ID balance first, so you don't enter card details for each buy. Make sure subscriptions and in-app purchases are set to the same Apple ID. If the code is rejected, check region restrictions, any expiration, and that you typed characters correctly. O versus 0, 8 versus B. If problems persist, gather your purchase proof and contact Apple support. They can verify the code and help restore funds to your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.